Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. So in today's video, we are going to explore one of the most popular agentic AI framework of 2026. So if you are confused about which framework to learn, don't worry. So by end of this video, you'll know which framework is best for your use case. So let's get started. So first, what is the agentic AI frameworks? So think like it's a toolbox, right? So just a mechanic need different tool to repair the different vehicles. So AI developer need different framework to build different AI agents. So some framework are good for the chatbots, some are the best for automation, and other designed for the multi-agent system. So there is no single framework that is best for everything. So let's understand them one by one. The first one is LangChain. So we start with the LangChain. So LangChain is one of the most popular AI frameworks. Its the biggest strength is its integration, right? It can easily connect with large language model, database, API, search engine, and many external tools. So if your AI agent need to communicate with the many different services, so LangChain is an excellent choice. So you can think of LangChain as a foundation of many AI applications. So the next one is a LangGraph, right? So LangGraph is a built on the top of LangChain. It is especially designed for workflows. Imagine your AI agent has to think, make decision, repeat the task, and remember the previous step. So LangGraph make it this possible. So if your project has a complex workflow, LangGraph is a better option, right? Now we are moving to the Pydantic AI, right? So let's talk about the Pydantic, right? So this framework focus on structured output. It validate the data before sending to your application. So this reduce the error. If you build production level application where data accuracy is important, so this Pydantic AI is a great choice, right? Now we are moving to Ango, right? So Ango is a complete AI agent framework. It's a help you to build, deploy, monitor, and manage AI agent from one place, right? So instead of combining many tools yourself, Ango provide everything together. So this is ideal for the companies building the enterprise AI system, right? Now we are moving to OpenAI stack, OpenAI Agentic SDK, right? So let's discuss the OpenAI Agent SDK. So if you are using the OpenAI model like GPT-5, this SDK makes the development very easy, right? So it supports the tool calling, tracing, memory, and the agent workflow. So if you are just starting with AI agents, so this is the one of the simplest framework to learn, right? Now we are moving to Google ADK. So next is the Google ADK. ADK means the agent development kit. So it's also known as the Google Agent Development Kit, right? So this framework is designed for the Gemini model. If your project use the Google Cloud or Gemini ecosystem, or Google ADK offer the smooth integrations, right? If for this Gemini system, Gemini ecosystem and Google Cloud, right? So it is a becoming the very popular among the Google developer, right? So most important and most popular for the Google developer teams, right? So now we are moving to Cloud Agent SDK. So, this framework is designed for Anthropic cloud models. So it is especially powerful for coding assistant, research agent like file analysis and the different computer use agents, right? So if your agent need to work with the files code operating system, Cloud Agent SDK is a strong options, right? Now we are moving to the CrewAI, right? This CrewAI is like a multi-agent system. This framework is we call the CrewAI. CrewAI allow multiple AI agent to work together, right? So this is the for good for the multi-agent system. So each agent has a specific role. For example, one agent write the code, another review the code, a third is test the code. So together they can complete the project. So this teamwork approach make the CrewAI is very powerful, right? So CrewAI mostly used for multi-agent system. Now we are moving to MetaGPT. So MetaGPT work like a software company. Different AI agent act as a project manager and developer, tester, reviewer. They have all we can work together. Together they can create the complete software project automatically. Even you want to AI to simulate the entire software company. So MetaGPT is exciting framework. Now we are moving to the next one, Agent Scope. So let's discuss the Agent Scope. So Agent Scope focus on monitoring and controlling the AI agent. So you can observe every decision your agent make. So this improve the debugging, safety, and the reliability. So it is useful for production AI system, right? Now we are moving to the Camel AI. So Camel AI mainly used for research. So researchers use it to study how multiple AI agents interact with each other. So it's also popular for simulation and AI societies, right? Now we are moving to the Llama index. So let's talk about the retrieval augment generation or RAG. So this first framework is the Llama index, right? For the RAG kind of scenario. So Llama index connect with your AI agent to your own document. So instead of relying only on one language model, your AI can search PDF, database, and company knowledge. So this makes answer much more accurate, right? So now we are moving to the next one, Haystack. So another popular RAG framework is the Haystack. So Haystack gives the developer complete control over the document retrieval and the AI pipelining. So it is a modular, flexible, and widely used for enterprise applications, right? So now we are moving to a small agent. So finally we have a small agent. As the name suggests, it's a lightweighted. It's a perfect for local model and open source AI. So if you want to minimal code with fast performance, so this slow agent is worth exploring, right? So the let's answer the biggest question: which framework should you choose? So if you need lots of integration, choose the LangChain. If you need complex workflow, choose the LangGraph. If you need multiple AI agents, so go with the CrewAI, right? If you are building RAG applications, so you can choose the Llama Index or Haystack. If you are using the OpenAI model, so choose OpenAI Agent SDK. If you want to complete AI platform, so choose the Agno, right? So this is the very important thing. So here is my recommendation from beginner. Start with the LangChain, then learn the LangGraph. After then you can explore the OpenAI Agent SDK. Once you comfortable with, then you move to CrewAI and for the multi-agent system. And finally learn the RAG using the Llama Index or Haystack. So this is a learning path will prepare you for the real world AI project in 2026. And the world of AI agent is evolving rapidly. So learning is the right framework today, so can help to build the next generation of intelligent application tomorrow. So I hope this video helped you to understand the agentic AI ecosystem in the simple way. So if you found this video useful, so please like, share with share and subscribe the Think Lab by Saurabh, right? And comment below and tell me which AI framework you planning to learn first. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.